Namkazi ujuru.
Rasta ni mafoto ida rugi na clean. Oh kamera. Oli yankulu.
Right, yeah, we are at the Greenville Cemetery. That's where we are. Right.
What?
Doing what? Our brother passed away. So we're going.
What's his name?
Captain. Captain.
Full name.
I've forgotten his name. Innocent Soom. I've forgotten his first name, but it's called Innocent Soom. So we are at the Greenville Cemetery. Right, we are there.
Kumbuzi.
It's also called Kumbuzi in Shona. Right. But I need a white chick. I'm dying.
At the cemetery, you need a white chick.
I want a white chick, my friend. I'm sure. We are there. No, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not lying. We are there. I want a white, no matter how old she is. All I need is a white woman.
Where are you? Where are you, my friend?
I need a white chick.
I'm there. You need a white chick.
I need a white chick. Please help.
Please help.
Please help. I stay in the ghetto. It is the first ghetto from town. It's called Mbare National. I ain't got no money.
We are there.
But the only thing I can promise is he doesn't know what a push cart is.
We are there.
Push cart. I'm saying, I need a white chick. Those blacks, they don't understand me.
Blacks don't understand.
They don't understand me. So I need a white woman. What's the matter? Me no say man go corre so I'm veta man go yana go go tsara di gentleman musoto jama. No go mataurira jama. Ndo mabinu musoto. All these blacks they don't understand me. You know what I'm saying? They don't understand me. So I think I have to marry a white woman. You know what I'm saying? Because I heard that white they've got love. They have love. You know what I'm saying? Heart. These blacks, they always want money from me.
You know you want money from the white chicks.
Not from her.
What about from the white chicks? What do you want?
If she got money, we can always share. That's what I'm saying.
My
name is Ashford Ruben Ashford. In capital letters and put that in brackets. Right. I stay in Mbare. First ghetto from what? From town.
But what is a passing?
Okay. My name is Ruben Ashford Ruben. Also known as Shabba, ranks in the ghetto. Right. All I want is a white chick. I'm dying to marry a white chick. Of course I've got no money, but baby, I can see what I can do for you to survive. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can see what I can do. There's pushka. I was the man yengoro manja. What's the pushka?
No, pushka.
I know. I'm buying cigarette every day in the morning. $2, $3 we can survive every day. You know what I'm saying?
And
baby, talk to Mad Minox. She will tell you everything. How we survive. And if you want to see the ghetto, alright, he's the guy who's going to tell you everything
about the ghetto.
About the ghetto. Sweet.
Madman.
Zanotino,
Wanyara Gaffa Shabba.
Oh, ndotaura.
Ramon Plaza.
Baby. You know what?
Taula wagare baba.
You know what, baby? I'm lonely. I need a loved one. Someone who can take care of me, you know what I'm saying? Someone who's serious, because I'm serious. I'm serious, baby. Of course, I'm talking to my honey. Honey. Kutaura nechimochi Canada. In Canada.
Aibo waita.